Now the properties of the limit. Some important properties of the limit are that when if limit x tends to a in the function f of x, then result will become m, any number, either positive or negative. Same here, limit x tends to a in the function g of x is n. So where m and n are real and finite, then the many conditions are applying. Because there is limit is same, x tends to a and x tends to a. When we addition of the two functions and applying same limit, then f of x plus g of x, either an addition or subtracting. First of all, we add the two functions, or we subtracting two functions, then we applying here the limit. Or in other words, you can say that you are already applying separate limit from both on both functions. First of all, you applying here f of x, a limit, this limit in the function of x, f of x, and same here, this limit applying on the next or second function g of x. Same here, this limit containing f of x and this limit contains g of x, and the outcome will become this limit f of x equals to m. In the place of this function we put here m, and in the place of this function we put here n. So in between positive or negative sign will become same. This is first property, either positive or negative conditions and limits. Now second condition is, our property is that when the limit is same, x approaches to a, and there is a multiple constant number to the function c f of x, c is a constant number, then when we applying here the limit in the function, so the constant number we are taking common. This c, this constant number will become common, and we are applying limit on the function f of x. So this limit x tends to a f of x is equals to m. So this, in the place of this whole function of the limit, we put here m, and c will become in the multiplication form. Now same here, in the limit x tends to a, when the two functions, two different functions, this function and this function, in the form of this dot product, or you can say that multiplication form. So you are always applying separate limit, which is given here, limit x tends to a, separate applying in the function f of x, and again here applying the limit on g of x. Then this function is equals to m, and this function equals to n, in the sense of this multiplication form. And now in the division form, their result will become same, because this limit applying separately on numerator and denominator. Okay, and this whole function is equals to m, and this whole function is equals to n, where n doesn't equals to 0, because when n equals to 0, then this whole limit of the value is converted to the infinite digit, and this infinite does not exist to the limit point. Now in the algebraic sense, limit substitution maths, the limit can be found directly by substituting the values of x. There is an example, limit x tends to 2, here the function is given 2x square plus 3x plus 4. Here we are applying this limit x is equals to 2 in the place of x. Here we put here x is equals to 2, and in the place of x we put here 2, and 4 become 7. When 2 of the square is 4, 4 multiplied 2 is 8, 3 multiplied 2 is 6, and this will become 4 is equals. Then the addition of 3 numbers, 3 digits, is equals to 18. Now, in the second example, second question, limit x tends to 2 when the function is given x square plus 6 upon x plus 2. We put here this limit on the place of x, this x 2 is square, and this x 6 will become same, and here x plus 2, we put here x in the place of x is equals to 2 plus 2 is 4. Now 2 square is 4, 4 plus 6 is equals to 10, upon 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Now the result will become, when we applying table on both 2, then the result will become in the sense of 5 upon 2. This is finite digits, that's why this limit is exist. Now the second examples where in denominator form where this 0 upon 0 form is created. When the 0 upon 0 form is creating here, then we are changing or we are taking the common variables. So here limit x tends to 3 in the rational expression, because in denominator and numerator and denominator represent rational expression. Now here limit x tends to 3. When we put here x approaches to 3 is square minus 3 minus 6. 3 is square will become 9. Minus 3 minus 6 will become 9. 9 minus 9. When you put here in the whole function directly x is equals to 3, then this whole function creates the form 0 upon 0. But here, when we are not creating here, but here we are not directly applying this limit. So that's why we are taking common factors. So we are break the middle term into two forms, x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. When we are subtracting minus 3x from 2, when we subtract 2x from the minus 3x, then result will become minus x. And same here, we are taking x square from both these functions, and here only taking 1 from both. So same here, in this situation, x is common from both and 2 is common from both terms. X plus x minus 3 is creating here, and when we put 2 common, x minus 6 is here. We are solving again here, x square minus 3 when we put here x is common, then x minus 3 is creating. Okay, when we put here 2 common, then x minus 3 is common. So x minus 3 and x minus 3 is common here. So this x minus 3 is common, and this x and this x and this 2, x plus 2 is same here written in this form. In the denominator form here, x minus 3 is both common, and x square plus 1 is same here in the place of this point. Now same here, x minus 3 this and this x minus 3 will be cancelled, and x plus 2 remaining same, and x square plus 1 will become same. So there is a big mistake from this point. which is x plus 2, and when we applying on this limit x is equals to 3, in this sense, then this outcome will become 5 upon 10, and this 5 when we applying on table, so the outcome will become in the sense of 1 upon 2. So this value represent, or you can say that this whole limit of the value will become in the form of 1 upon 2. So now again in the second page there is different methods we are applying in the limit, and here in algebraic limits we are applying rationalization method. This rationalization method, when we substitute the value of x in the rational expression, it takes the form 0 upon 0, infinity upon infinity, etc. In this sense, when the function of the value or the result creating in the sense of this form, then we are applying this rationalization method. For example, limit x tends to 4 x square minus 16 upon me radical or under root x square plus 9 minus 5. When we put here directly x approaches to 4, in the place of x we put here 4 square, it will become 16, then 16 minus 16 will become 0, and when we put here 4 square will become 16 plus 9 is equals to 25. When we solve this radical, 25 of the radical will become 5 minus 5 will become 0. So this whole form directly, when we directly applying the limit 4, this whole form of the result creating in the 0 upon 0. So we are here applying a rationalization method in the denominator situation. Here the denominator is in negative form, and the rationalization we are multiplying and divide this whole denominator, but here the denominator negative, but we are multiplying in the positive and dividing, multiplying and dividing, same denominator, but there is negative sign and there is positive sign. Now here when we are multiplying this whole denominator, both denominator, then this, let's suppose this whole radical is let's suppose a, and this is b, this a and this is b. So a minus b and a plus b creating a formula which is difference of 2 square formula. So this whole situation converted into this form x square plus 9 whole square minus 5 whole square. Okay, so square and radical will become cancelled here, and the square of 5 will become 25. So same here, x square plus 9 is creating here. When we applying multiplying both brackets, then the formula is creating difference of 2 square formula, and this radical and this square will be cancelled. Then the outcome will become in the sense of x square plus 9, and this 5 square creating 25, and this will become same. Now here x square plus 9 minus 25, when we subtract 9 from 25, then the outcome will become negative 16, and x square minus 16 and x square minus 16 will become cancelled. Then this whole one bracket is remaining same. Now when the one bracket is here, then we applying this limit x tends to x approaches to 4. Now here in the place of x is equals to put here 4, and this 9 will become same and this 5 will become same. 4 square will become 16. 16 plus 9 is equals to 25. When we any number creating a radical sign, then we are converted that number into the square form, then the square root will be cancelled. So 4 square will become 16 plus 9 25. 25 of the radical is 5, and this 5 will become same. 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. So this whole solution says that in algebraic limits we are applying rationalization method. Now in this question, in standard result, if n is an irrational number, then limit x approaches to a, x power n minus a power n upon x minus a is equals to n a power n minus a. This is solving in your this question or this example already solving in your textbook. So this is homework for you. Now again, example number 8. Limit x tends to 5. This is evaluative. Limit x tends to 5. X cube minus 125 upon x square minus 7x plus 6. Now here x cube minus 125 upon x square minus 7x plus 10. Breaking into this whole numerator converted into the difference of cube formula, and here we are taking break. Minus 7x break into two forms, minus 5x and minus 2x. Minus 5 and minus 2 is equals to minus 7. Now x cube minus 5 cube, creating two brackets, x minus 5, x square plus 5x plus 25. Here we are applying this formula. X minus y and x square plus xy plus y square. So this formula creating here. So this whole formula creating here, because in the place of x we put here x, in the place of y we put here 5. Okay, so this situation, this whole function is created. In the place of x we put here x, in the place of y put here 5. X same here x, in the 5 y we put here 5. X square will become same, x into y is equals to 5, then 5x here plus y square. Then when we put here 5 in the place of y, then 5 whole square is equals to 25. And here we are common x from this both terms, and negative is common from both, and 2 is common. Now same here, x is common from x minus 5x will become same, and here minus 2 is common, then x is converted into positive and negative 10 converted into the positive. Okay, negative converted into the positive. Sorry to say that this is 3. This is not 7 but this is 3. So that's why we are creating this whole negative, sorry, this is positive 10. This is positive 10. So that's why we are creating here this 10 is in the sense of positive. So that's why this will become negative. Now here again this situation x minus 2 and x minus 5 is creating x minus 5 and x minus 5 is cancelled. So x square plus 5x plus 25 is remaining here and x minus 2 is remaining here. When we applying directly 5 in the place of x, then 5 is square, 5 multiply 5 and 25 will be same. Now the whole situation is creating here 5 square plus 5 multiply 5 plus 25 upon 5 minus 2. 25, 5 plus 5 multiply 5, 25, 25 same, 5 minus 3 is equals to 7. Now again in this sense 25 plus 25 plus 25 is 3 times. Then you can say that this 25 is 3 times 25 upon 3 is here, then 3 will become same, then outcome will become in the sense of 25. So now again in second question, example number 8 and question number is 2. X approaches to 3, x square minus 9 is equals to whole bracket 1 upon x plus 3 plus 1 upon x minus 3. Now here first of all we are taking the LCM from both functions. Let in directly sense, first of all I have told you in previous classes, when the denominators creating in the different forms not same, then you put here these denominator same, these denominators same in the sense of multiplication. This denominator multiplying in this one to this one and this denominator multiplying to this one. So when we are multiplying x minus 3 to the 1, then result will become same. When we multiplying x plus 3 to the 1, then result will become same and positive sign will become same here. Now x square minus 9 is already we are applying difference of 2 square formula, a square minus b square, then it will become a plus b and a minus b. So same here this formula creating 2 brackets. So these 2 brackets x plus 3 and x minus 3 and x plus 3 and x minus 3 both and this both are cancelled each other. Then 3 and 3 will become cancelled. Then x plus x is equals to 2x. Now we are put limit in the place of x we put 3. Then 2 multiply 3 is equals to 6. Then this will become our answer. Now in the example number 8 part number 3, same here the rationalization functions. Limit x tends to radical x tends to a plus 2x minus 3 radical 3x radical 3a plus x minus 2 radical x. This limit is same. Now we are rationalization the denominator is negative minus 2x, then it multiplying positive and positive. When we seeing here this is same here condition and this will become same, but the difference is negative and positive. So here in denominator we are applying difference of two square formula. A square means this whole function, this whole part will become A and this whole part will become B. So 3A plus x radical whole square, then radical and square will become cancelled, then 3A plus x will become same. When we applying 2 radical x whole square, then 2 to 4 and radical into square will be cancelled, then x is same, remaining same. Now the upper terms will become same. Now here 3a plus x minus 4x, when we are here, when we are, let's suppose 3a minus plus x minus 4x, when we are subtracting from minus 4x to the x, then outcome will become 3a minus 3x. So 3 is common here and a minus x will become in bracket same. Now this bracket will become same and this whole result will become same. Now this function in the place of this function and this function place of this function, because in the multiplication form. Now here we seeing here when we applying a rationalization method, again a plus 2x minus radical 3x rationalization, a plus 2x plus 3x multiplying and dividing, because there is no creating a solution of this function, so that's why we are again applying the rationalization to the numerator. Now here in the numerator form, same this situation, this form and this form, this is negative, this is positive, and same here again we are applying here the difference of two square formula, this whole a, this whole a, and this is b, this is b. So here when we applying here, then this whole creating formula is creating. So 2x minus 3x, then result will become minus x, because minus 3, when we subtract 2x from minus 3x, then minus x will become same. So this minus x, a minus x will become same, and this a minus x will become same. So these are cancelled to each other. Then whole 1 upon 3 is remaining same. Now we are applying limit in the place of x. This x is equals to a, this x is equals to a, here is x is equals to a, and here is also x is equals to a. So now 3a plus a is equals to 4a, then 4 of the square root is 2, then a is remaining in this sense, 2a is same, upon me 1a plus 2a is equals to 3a, 3a will become same. Now here 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 upon radical a, and 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. I have told you that when we are seeing here 2a plus 2a, this whole and this whole creating 4 radical a, this 4 radical a, upon me this 3a and this 3a will become 2 3a. Now 2 will be cancelled and radical a and radical a will be cancelled here. Then the form of the answer is 1 upon radical 3 is remaining same, will remaining same. So this is our answer, but here 1 upon 3 is same here. So 1 upon 3 in the sense of multiplication, sorry, this 2, this is 2. When we are multiplying 1 upon 3, then this 3 is same. So this whole question represent our answer. Okay. Now in the second example, question number part number 5, here limit x tends to 1, 3 radical 3 plus x minus radical 5 minus x. When we put here directly applying here x minus x approaches to 1, then it will become in the form of infinity. So that's why we are rationalization the numerator form. Numerator, this is negative, we are applying positive in multiplication argument. So same here, we are multiplying both conditions in the difference of 2 square formula, then square of this 3 plus x whole square, radical 3 of x whole square, then radical and x square root is cancelled or under root will be cancelled, then 3 plus x will become same. When we applying square of this both point, minus plus minus, same here, this minus and this minus plus minus minus, and here 5 minus x whole square, radical whole square, radical will be cancelled, then minus 5 same, minus into minus plus x, then x plus x is equals to 2x, there is 2x, and minus 5 plus 3 is equals to minus 2, and then 2 is common from both terms. And here x square minus 1, applying formula x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 1, and this x minus 1 will be cancelled. So same here, 2 multiply 1 is equals to 2, and x plus 1 multiplying this both terms in the bracket form is same. Now the question is that here we are applying limit x tends to 1 in the place of this x and this x. Now 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, 3 plus 1 is equals to 4, 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Now this will become 2, 3 plus 1 is equals to 4, 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Then radical of the 2 will become cancelled, there is 1 creating 1, and radical of 4 is equals to 2, radical of 4 is equals to 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. So this question represents the result 1 upon 4. Now in the question number, example number 8 and part number 5, which is very close to the formulation system, or it depending on the formulation system. Find all possible values of x, of a. So limit x tends to a, the function x power 5 minus a power 5 upon me, x minus a is equals to 405. The result will become in the sense of 405. Now here we are applying this whole formula, which is I have already discussing in this question, because this is the formula. Now through this formula we are applying this question. So same situation here, when the greatest power of the variable is here, then n containing that power, the result of n, or you can say that n is equals to the highest power of the variable. Okay, in this situation we are seeing here x power 5 minus a power 5 upon x minus a. So limit x tends to a, x power 5 minus a power 5 upon x minus a is equals to 405. Now we are applying this formula. So here n is equals to 5, n is equals to 5. In this situation we put here n in the place of 5, a is remaining same. In the place of n we put here 5, minus 1 will become same. So this whole result will equal to 405. Now 5 is multiplying here, and this 5 when goes from this side to this side, then it will become divided. So this a power 5 minus 1 is equals to 405 upon में 5, then 81 will become creating. So when we dividing with 405 with 5, then the outcome will become 81, and 5 minus 1 will become 4, this 4. And now here in this question, then the x power 4 is equals to 81, then a power a is equals to 5 plus minus radical 3, because we are seeing here a power 4 is equals to 81 is equals to 3 power 4. 4 will become cancelled, then a is equals to this question. Okay, so these are the terminology system of the whole given function. Now same here in this situations we are saying here our limit problems are solving from example number 1 to the example number 8, part 1 to the 5. Inshallah, hope we are discussing and other examples or other problems of the limits. So Allah Hafiz and Assalamu alaikum.